Hello, I will be showing you how to play music from Spotify on your Apple Watch. First of all, you need a connection for this to work, so you have to have cellular data available, or a Wi-Fi should work as well. When you're all set up, open Spotify on your watch. It then tells you to connect to audio source to listen from. If you're having trouble finding a device through Bluetooth, which can be a problem sometimes, try restarting your Apple Watch, turn on and off Bluetooth, and unconnect your headphones to other devices it might be connected to. It usually does the trick. And when I press play here, it plays from my iPhone at first. So I have to change it, what device I want it to play from. So I just choose Apple Watch here, which is connected to my headphones, and then it starts playing from my headphone. And now if I have cellular data on my Apple Watch, I can go out without my phone.